I've been trying to film this for like a week now. Let me get in the hotel first. So, as you can see, I started filming this when I was in the hotel. Honestly, I got tired and went to bed. This is a video I've been trying to shoot for the last couple of weeks. Just honestly been busy and tired and just haven't got to it. But I just wanted to kind of give a channel update and a life update on kind of where things are. First of all, I want to say thank you. We just crossed over 1,000 subscribers. That means a lot to me. It's still kind of weird that there's people like to watch my random crap that I post, but I appreciate it. Thanks for all the likes, the comments, the messages, different things like that. It's all appreciated. Thanks to everyone that buys merch, supports me on Patreon or PayPal or anything. It is all very appreciated. But I just kind of wanted to give you an update on life and the channel and kind of where things are. Currently, it's in the middle of the summer. It's hot. And for my job, this is the peak season for me. So I'm working 15, 16 hours a day, usually 6 days a week. So there's not much time for adventures. The one day off I do have, I spend a lot of time honestly doing nothing because it's one day off. And honestly, it's so hot, I don't have the desire to camp much in the summer. So that's why you haven't seen much trip stuff. But coming up with the channel, a few things you're going to see. You're going to see some video archive. Some of this is just trip footage that maybe the video didn't turn out how I wanted to. Maybe I had camera issues or microphone issues. For some reason, I scrapped the projects. But I think these projects can still be relevant because it's still stuff that, got me to where I am today. One of the big ones is a trip to Moab where I did a lot of filming with a lot of cameras. I had no idea what I was doing. The drone was brand new. A lot of the stuff is just dash cam kind of recorded stuff. And there's hours and hours and days of footage. However, I can shrink that down and make something that, maybe is interesting, but at least it documents where I was and what I've done. And I can make something of that and share it. And at the end of the day, most of the content I create is so I can sit on the couch with the family and watch it. But the video archive stuff, it'll be labeled. You'll know, hey, this is old. This may not be the quality you're used to and where you've seen the channel grow. But it's still part of who I am, part of where I was, and stuff I'd like to get out there. Also, there's going to be some product stuff coming. Some of these products are things I've used forever that I recommend. There's a few products I've found that it's new, and there's kind of not much information out there. So you'll see some kind of stuff like that. Maybe some build and update stuff on the Subaru. Just stuff that's relevant to what's going on with me. Now, obviously, I'm not supported by any companies or anything right now. It's all viewers and, my job that pays for things. I got to work for this stuff. But there's some products that I've used for years and, I recommend to people. Or maybe there's some products that I'll find and be like, hey, this looks really cool, but maybe it's junk. So I'm going to try to do some of that product stuff just because that adds more content to the channel. That's more stuff here. As well as I'd like to do some how-to videos. There's a lot of things people have kind of asked me to do, like Gaia videos coming up, where I can take some of the knowledge I've learned and pass that along to you. So video wise, that's kind of where things are going. Fall, obviously camping season picks back up for me. I'm going to try to do some group trips with Sooner State, as well as the weekends where I just have one or two people going out, and we just kind of go on our own, do our own thing. So all of that is coming up. Be sure and follow Sooner State Overland on Facebook. But that's really all I have on this video. It's going to be short, drop in the middle of the week. Just kind of give you an update on life and where things have been with me and what to expect with the channel. Again, thanks to everyone that follows and subscribes and messages me and does everything. I really appreciate all y'all that watch this crap that, I throw together and produce out there. But that's all I have for today. And like always, there's still another mile left to explore. I'll see you on the trail.